Facial oils, yes. We shouldn't be afraid of using oils. It's just to make sure that you're not using oils that are going to clog your pores, like mineral oil, for example. But there are fantastic oils out there that can help balance the skin's tone, balance how much sebum and how much oil the skin is producing. A big problem is overwashing. We tend to overwash, over cleanse, over sanitize everything. And when we do that to the skin, it can lead to increasing the appearance of fine lines, creating dryness and dullness in the skin. So the use of facial oils as a facial, like to cleanse the skin, and also within skincare products, we should try not to be afraid of that, because it can be very nourishing and very protective for our skin's barrier. Yes, if you can have bone broth, it's wonderful. It's high in gelatin. Gelatin breaks down to collagen, and collagen is great for your skin. Collagen peptides help to keep your skin's glow, help to boost and plump your skin, and help to reduce fine lines and dark circles and such. So if you are able to have bone broth, or even using bone of, either whether it's cow or fish bones or chicken bones to make your broth, to then make your soups, that's a wonderful thing you can do, because it can really help nourish not just your skin, but it's great for your joints, and all over, and great for just maintaining moisture all over your body, which is great. But one thing I do want to mention is sleep. So, sleep is the probably the most important pillar of health, where you take yourself down for 8 to 9 hours. Hopefully, it's deep. You're going through all the phases of sleep. It's restorative. It balances your immune system. It helps you to feel happier the next day, be more present, and your brain's working, and you're reducing your risk for cognitive decline later on. And it's great for the skin, right? So your body goes through a natural detoxification process when you sleep. So for me, I highly recommend that you try to get enough sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, it will definitely show in your skin. You always want to cleanse. We're exposed to the elements. You're putting on makeup, so cleanse and double cleanse. You mentioned oil cleansing. If that's something that interests you, you can even make your own oil cleanser, but there are many on the market that you can use. If you have dry skin, make sure you're using something that's like a natural creamy cleanser and it's not stripping your skin further. And then you want to make sure you follow up with a really good serum. A serum is like usually either oil-based or water-based. And what's great about that is that after you cleanse and tone your skin with a great toner, it goes directly on the skin, no barrier, and it gets to penetrate. So your serum is your treatment. And there's vitamin C serums, hyaluronic acid-based serums, collagen-based serums. You want to find a really good serum. Then you want to top that off with a really good cream or a gel. For people who have really oily skin, a skin gel could be very soothing and balancing. Or if you really have really dry skin, go for a really good cream, and make sure that you also wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is also very important, because you want to protect your skin from the UV rays, which can also lead to the early signs of aging.